Welcome to the Airlift Workshop, where you get expertise from the air suspension specialists, keeping you on the road and in top condition for over 70 years. Today, we'll be demonstrating the installation of our LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate Air Spring Kit on a RAM TRX. Installation may take up to 2.5 hours to complete using common mechanics tools. Remember, this video does not replace your installation guide, so grab yours out of the box and let's get started. Jack up the rear of the vehicle or raise it on a hoist. Lower the axle or raise the body of the vehicle until the springs are completely extended. Set the lower brackets in a location that allows the carriage bolts to be dropped in each of the square holes in the lower brackets shown. The Air Spring Cradle kit will go onto the lower brackets next. Set the Air Spring Cradles onto the lower brackets. Insert the provided bolts and flat washer into each of the Air Spring Cradle mounting holes and through the lower brackets. Push the cradles away from the carriage bolts as far as possible in the slots. Place a flat washer and a thin nylon lock nut onto the cradle bolts. Tighten the bolts to 16 pound-feet. Set the drivers and passengers assemblies over the axle. The Air Spring Cradles should be facing outwards towards the tire on both sides. Place the clamp bar over the carriage bolts. Install a flat washer and nylon lock nut onto each carriage bolt. It is important to leave the clamp bars loose at this time. Let's assemble the air springs. Install a straight air fitting into each air spring and tighten 1.5 turns past finger tight. Set a roll plate over each air spring and then place each upper bracket over each air spring. Place a 3/8" lock washer and flat washer onto each bolt. Tighten the bolts to 16 pound-feet. Place hose clamps around the exhaust pipe on the passenger side. Then, bend the heat shield in a circular pattern and slip the tabs into the hose clamps and tighten. Take each air spring assembly and push them up into place, making sure that the correct assembly is being used on each side. Insert a hex bolt through the upper bracket and the truck frame. The bolt must come from inside the frame. Place a nylon lock nut onto the bolt, but leave it loose at this time. Lower the vehicle down until the air spring is just above the air spring cradle. Adjust the lower bracket assembly until the lower portion of the air spring is centered in the cradle. At this time, tighten the nylon lock nuts onto the carriage bolts and torque to 16 pound-feet. To install the air lines, begin by choosing locations for the Schrader valves. The nylon air lines are routed from the Schrader valves to the air springs. Leaving about 2 inches of slack, cut to length, making clean square cuts with a razor blade or hose cutter. Install the Schrader valve in the chosen location. Route the airline away from the exhaust and place the thermal heat sleeve over the end of the airline and push it into the air fitting. Once the hose is installed, lower the vehicle completely. Inflate the system to 10 psi and torque both upper bracket bolts to 49 pound-feet. That does it. Remember, you can find more information about all of our products at airliftcompany.com. And our knowledgeable customer service team is always just a phone call away. Thanks for joining us in the Airlift Workshop.